have 2 allergy kids. They're like, I don't know, we have food allergies in this house. Do you know what it's like growing up Italian? I can't even feed them like mozzarella. I can't feed them like lasagna, cannolis, nothing. So I had to come up with all these new recipes. So I wanted to show you today a staple that's in my house. I needed to make breadcrumb. So couldn't figure out how to make it. So now I had to come up with something. So this is what I came up with. Cheerios. It's the only thing I could think of because I did the bread. It came out all right. We're going to go with the Cheerios. So you take the Cheerios, right? You take a Ninja. All this is not sponsored. You put the Cheerios in the Ninja. There's like 2 cups.
And there goes one.
I love the Cheerio. You put this on. You take this. We need a bowl. Take the glass bowl.
It's a lot. Bowl.
You put it in here. Everything is falling. You take more Cheerios, you put it in here, right? And there goes another Cheerio. The dog will eat it. You put the lid on. You like it? It's good? The dog likes it. Gotta mix it up. Blend it up.
She's
Put it in
playing
here.
with it now.
Alright, so now that's done. This is plain breadcrumbs if you want to use plain breadcrumbs. But I want Italian breadcrumbs. So I'm going to take, let's see. Alright, ready? We're going to take onion powder. I'll put all the measurements in the thing. In the description.
Yeah.
Cover it. Garlic powder. Sprinkle it over the top. Just to cover it. I think it comes out to like 2 tablespoons. And a lot of parsley. Because that's what makes it Italian flavored. And then you take salt. And that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't have Lugadell cheese to go in here. And then you take the shovel. You know why I call this the shovel? When I first met my husband, he ate cereal with this, and it was the biggest spoon I had ever seen. I'm like, what is that? He says, this is a spoon. I said, you're going to eat cereal with that? He said, yeah. So we're going to take that, we're going to mix it all around.
And there goes some.
And then we're going to taste it, see if it needs anything. A little bit more salt. 3, 4, 5. Alright, let's leave the shovel. We'll take another one.
I need a spoon.
I'm going to mix it. My daughter is the narrator. You hear her? Let's taste it. It's good now. See? You don't need cheese. Gluten-free breadcrumbs. You have a kid? You have Cheerios. You like plain cereal? You like Cheerios. Everybody has Cheerios in the house. So there you go.
Plain
So
Cheerios.
I just wanted to say thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy this. Maybe this will help you in your house. And there you go. Have a great day. Bye. Hey, my name is Christine, and I want to welcome to my channel.